Okay, to summarize, today we prepared a program with the help of artificial intelligence to be much more efficient, much faster, with this example where I, with my limited Python skills, have taken the computer of my brother and have installed all the software for free that I needed. So we have a local database. I installed Python, which is programming language, just a notepad, and we prepared one file, which is this one. It's 100 lines. With the help of ChatGPT, we prepared basically one file that, when executed, will fill a local database with data that we need to create the scanner, to find interesting stock picks. So the idea was to create, basically to take data from the web, store it locally on our computer, and then talk to our local database to retrieve our information, so that we can always keep an eye on this information and have an overview, because it's always better to double check the values. And what we did in practice is we prepared, first of all, we defined the goals. So we have these three goals. We wanted to see which industries are in the bull market, looking at the New York Stock Exchange, which companies are at an all-time high. Then we wanted to check which companies are actually doing better than competition, yet they have a lower valuation, price to earning ratio. And the third point was which companies are at an all-time low and potentially ready to bounce, and invert their trend. For all of these questions, we defined parameters that we wanted to consider. We took all the parameters and created a database on SQL. So we have our database on SQL that we created, these stocks with this structure, all these columns. And then we just, with the help of ChatGPT, we prepared this one file that runs in 1 to 2 hours, and that fills all the details for all the stocks listed at New York Stock Exchange. So we have our field database with all the values. You can see here 3,000. Let's look at the, I was just playing around with it right now. So we have 3,000 entries. You can watch the full video. And then what we prepared is some queries to actually get the answers to our questions. So we have queries. So this one is the most challenging one, and we prepared quite a large query, which is this entire SQL here that we prepared. It looks big, but it was prepared in 10 minutes. And with these queries that we run against our own local database, we can quickly get the information that we need. And potentially this you can run and we found actually we had some interesting finds. So for example, we found this bank that I see potential technically and fundamentally, actually very powerful bank. And we showed it with the help of a quick analysis on the trading platform. So this has been a demonstration, and you've seen we've done this from scratch for free in 2-3 hours. It would have probably taken me, without ChatGPT, it would have taken me 3 times as much easily. So this is a definitely great tool for programmers, and will probably statistically make you, if you are a programmer, redundant at some point. So thank you for watching.